Right now, there's a man she cannot stop thinking about. He hasn't texted once today, hasn't checked in, hasn't sent her anything funny. He said one specific thing, then disappeared. And her brain has been replaying that moment for 3 hours straight. You want to be that man. This video tells you exactly how. 4 triggers. That's all that separates the man she forgets from the man she can't stop thinking about. Trigger 1. The open loop. The brain cannot leave unfinished things alone. This is documented psychology. Incomplete experiences stay active in memory far longer than the resolved ones. Most men end conversations when they went down naturally. That is the wrong move. End them at peak, when she's laughing the hardest, when she's most curious about what you will say next, when the energy is the highest. Cut it there. Don't let it finish. Her brain will spend the next 6 hours trying to close a loop you left open. She won't know why she keeps thinking about you, but she will. Trigger 2. The emotional contrast. Women don't replay men who were consistently pleasant. They replay moments that felt unexpected, not unpredictable behavior, unpredictable emotional range. Completely composed, then suddenly the funniest thing she's heard all week. Fully unbothered, then one specific observation that proves you noticed something nobody else did. The brain tags high contrast moments as significant and returns to them automatically. Be reliable in how you show up. Be surprising in how you feel. She should never know which version of you is arriving next. And the next trigger is the one most men never figure out. Trigger 3. The absence with weight. When you are always available, always texting, always reachable, always there, your presence becomes ambient noise. She stops registering it because it never disappears. The men women think about the most are the ones whose absence is actually felt. Not men playing games. Men with a genuine life that doesn't pause for her attention. When you are occupied by something that actually matters to you, your presence in her world becomes something she notices the weight of when it's missing. Let real gaps exist, not silence. Life. She can feel the difference between manufactured distance and genuine independence. One feels like a tactic, the other feels like a man worth chasing. Trigger 4. Control the ending. Whatever she feels in the last 30 seconds of talking to you is what she carries into her day. Not the conversation, the ending. Comfortable, resolved ending. She moves on comfortably and resolved. Slightly unfinished, slightly off balance in a good way. That feeling stays active and goes wherever she goes. Therefore, never let interactions wind down to nothing. Cut deliberately. Leave at the high point. Leave her mid feeling. The man she's still processing when she's doing something completely unrelated is the man she can't get out of her head. If you have your life together but still keep losing women you should be keeping, the magnetic mindset was built exactly for that gap. 4.7 stars from men who were in this exact position. 7-day money back guarantee. The link is in the description. The thing that you have to understand that rewires everything is this. All the effort you put into staying visible, consistent, present, it was closing the loops you should have left open, resolving the tension instead of holding it, giving her certainty when uncertainty is the only fuel desire runs on. Therefore, she had no reason to think about you. You have already given her everything she needed to feel finished with the interaction. Stop being available. Start being unforgettable. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.